Hello everyone, welcome to our MATLAB tutorial series. Today, we're going to explore the transpose operations in MATLAB, specifically the normal transpose, and the complex conjugate transpose. Let's dive in. Normal transpose, The normal transpose operation in MATLAB is denoted by the dot followed by a single quote, dot. It interchanges the row and column index for each element. If A contains complex elements, then A does not affect the sign of the imaginary parts. For example, if we have a matrix A and we want to transpose it, we can use the operator like this. The result is a transposed matrix of A. Note that for normal transpose, the base A can be a matrix of any size. Complex conjugate transpose. The complex conjugate transpose operation in MATLAB is denoted by a single quote. It computes the complex conjugate transpose of A. For example, if we have a matrix A with complex elements and we want to compute its complex conjugate transpose, we can use the operator like this. The result is a complex conjugate transposed matrix of A. The complex conjugate transpose of a matrix interchanges the row and column index for each element, reflecting the elements across the main diagonal. The operation also negates the imaginary part of any complex numbers.